Finally, you may need to conduct a multiple linear regression or Manova for all these variables that we have, so that we find the linear relation between higher education, the husband being blood, the mixed ethnicities in the marriage, the years in marriage, and divorce status, to find how all these correlate or find the collinearity between all these and the divorce status. Therefore, we come to analyze. You go to regression, linear, and we move all these variables to independent variables, while this as the divorce status still remains to be the dependent variable. Therefore, we move these others the couples of mixed ethnicities 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Then we conduct the analysis just as we conducted previously. Then we click OK. Then we find the outcome of the multiple linear correlation analysis. Therefore, the constant has reduced to 1.425. The years in marriage still remains to be 0.011 as we found it here, 0.011. The duration the husband has achieved higher education has a coefficient of 0.045. Is the husband black has a coefficient of negative 0.078. Are the couples in a mixed ethnicity has a coefficient of 0.069. Therefore, I'd like to combine all this in an equation so that we can understand what we are talking about. So I'll insert equation. So y is equals to, so let me use this script value so that it can be easy for us to understand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think those are enough. If they won't be enough, I will add. Therefore, y is equals to m1 x1 plus m2 x2 plus m3 x3 plus m4 x4 plus c. So shift enter y, or y is equals to, our m1 will be the number of years in marriage, which is the beta coefficient for years in marriage, which is 0.011 x1. Let me now insert these 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, those are enough. So x1 is let's use it as x1 and I'll explain it later. Then plus the next is the beta coefficient for the duration the husband has achieved higher education, which is 0.045 x2 plus the third is the husband black, the ethnicity of the husband. So the beta coefficient is a negative value, minus 0.078 x3 plus the couples of mixed ethnicity. Its beta coefficient is 0.069 x4. Then the constant is 1.425. So those are the coefficients and their beta values. So y is years, no, the divorce status. X1, let's input these values: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. M1, M1 is equal to beta coefficient for years in marriage, shift, hold shift and click enter. Then M2, no, X1 is years in marriage, hold shift and click enter. Then M2 is the duration the husband achieved higher education. These are beta coefficient for. Then hold shift and click enter. Then X2 is the duration the husband has had higher education. Shift enter. M3 is the husband black, so beta coefficient for the husband's ethnicity. X3 is the husband's ethnicity. M4 is the beta coefficient for the whether the couples are mixed. Shift enter. X4 whether the couples are of mixed ethnicity. So go to home and use, you don't have to be in italics. Yes, this is what we've been looking for. You can highlight it so that yeah, this is the linear equation that we've been looking for, or the multiple linear regression equation, and these are the values that we've been searching for. Checking the sig values, you find that they are statistically significant. There's a statistically significant association, while the correlation or the beta values show that the correlation, the linear correlation is very, very insignificant. Thank you for the time that we've shared together. I'd like you to watch other videos on this channel that we may continue learning more and more. I'll conduct other statistical analysis in SPSS for data that has high coefficients of high beta coefficients, high correlation values, so that you can understand how to have this in your heart, so that your research can be better. It can be conducted from a standpoint to show that you understand what you've been doing. Thank you very much. Click, watch, subscribe, share, and I look forward to having you more in engaging for these sessions. Thank you and bye bye.